What's the meaning of boring? Boring. Boring.
Boring. Boring. The term boring generally refers to a lack of interest or excitement in a particular activity, task, or situation. When someone describes something as boring, they typically mean that it fails to capture their attention and fails to engender feelings of excitement or enthusiasm. This can be problematic in many contexts, especially if the individual needs to stay engaged and focused in order to succeed in their work or personal life. In short, boredom is a state of disinterest or apathy that can make it difficult to stay motivated and engaged in one's daily activities.